Next we are going to learn about the tags H1 to H6. So here in the text editor, after the tag table, press enter key. So here we are giving the various clubs at our school are, then give the tag BR, then enter key. So here I am giving H1 English, then slash H1 closing bracket, then enter H2, then here I am giving social science, then slash H2 closing bracket and enter, then H3 max slash H3 closing bracket and enter H4 science, then slash H4 closing bracket, then H5 sports slash H5 closing bracket, then enter H6 IT slash H6 closing bracket. So these are the various heading sizes H1 to H6. Now we will save this. So file, save as. So here I am giving the file name as program7.html. Then click on the save button. Then minimize this window. Double click and open the home folder. Then studentworks 9 folder and there program7.html. So here we can see the various heading sizes which we are given H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So here as per the heading sizes the content is also displayed here. Then if you want to give a space here after the table here we can give the tag opening bracket BR closing bracket. Then click on the file, save. Then here we can click on the reload button. So here we can see we got a space here. So these are the various things what we learned in this chapter. So we are closing this text editor window. We are closing this web page.